Welcome to the Introduction to Inventory. By the end of this module, you will be able to distinguish between traditional and addressable ad sales, describe how inventory is monetized with various sales models, and explain how inventory value can be maximized through cross-platform delivery. When we talk about inventory, we are referring to avails in which television ads can be placed. How the inventory is sold can differ depending on what kind of advertising is being sold. Historically, traditional linear TV advertising has been priced and sold based on program ratings. The price of the spot was based on the number of people watching. The larger the audience, the higher the price. Traditional linear avails are sold as an entire unit based on the total audience watching the program at a specific time. In these cases, an advertiser buys all the viewers watching a program at a given time. Any viewers outside the target audience represent impressions paid for but not useful to the advertiser. This is also known as wasted reach. Addressable advertising is much more efficient and precise. Addressable makes it possible to reach different audiences with different ads. This approach greatly improves the relevance of the ads displayed to viewers and reduces wasted reach. Addressable advertising is bought and sold on an impression basis, targeting specifically defined viewers. Once allocated by the content provider or distributor, the inventory is monetized, meaning content providers and distributors turn that advertising inventory into advertising revenue. InVidi provides multiple ways of monetizing addressable TV advertising. InVidi Single Advertiser Spot Optimization, SASO, InVidi Multiple Advertiser Spot Optimization, MASO, Zone Target Area, ZTA, and InVidi Aggregation. These models greatly reduce the wasted reach of traditional spot-based TV advertising and increase the value of the inventory. Similar to traditional avail-based advertising, with the InVidi SASO sales model, advertisers buy the entire avail. However, instead of only being able to place a single ad in that avail, advertisers can use several different ads to target different parts of the viewing audience. Break times and networks are specifically scheduled, and ads are selected and shown based on the household profile. With the InVidi MASO sales model, multiple advertisers buy the same avail and target the audiences relevant to them using different ads. Content providers pre-schedule the break times and networks, and advertisers divide the audience among several products. ZTA allows different ads to be delivered to different predefined geographic zones. This enables advertisers to reach viewers in zones unique and useful to their campaigns. One advantage of this model is that it works with existing U.S. zone-based sales tools and systems. InVidi Aggregation allows advertisers to reach their target audience whenever, wherever, and however they're watching. This model is not schedule or program-based. Rather, the InVidi system detects an aggregation avail and selects the ad most relevant to each viewer. Content providers can combine audiences across multiple television networks and ad delivery platforms to optimize ad inventory. These sales models are various tools useful in reaching precise audiences, whether by program or simply by when, where, or how they're watching. But what about all the different devices viewers use to consume content? Distributors may have access and rights to monetize their inventory across various video platforms, including traditional linear delivery, such as satellite or cable, over-the-top, OTT, including video on demand and simulcast, connected TV, and IPTV. InVidi's Edge and Connexus platforms unify a broad range of video delivery systems to provide a consolidated and seamless approach to campaign management and execution across various platforms without the need to run separate campaigns. This approach provides a more efficient way to monetize, optimize, and increase the value of inventory while lowering operational costs. Learn how you can make the most out of your inventory by visiting the InVidi Technologies website at invidi.com.